Welcome, gentlemen. My name is DanCBearded. If you are new here, my subscribers call me the trusted teacher for all things beard related. And today, my beard is looking a little bit off on camera. I worked over a 10-hour day as a middle school history teacher and a water polo coach. Came home to have some dinner with my beautiful wife, Sam C. And then I wrestled around with my two young sons, had some fun, and this is what a beard looks like after a day like that. I figured it was the perfect opportunity to take a minute to show you guys how I use a heated brush at the end of the day to get ready for a date night, or the same exact process that if I choose to use it in the morning for my morning routine, this is exactly what I do here. And the brush that I'm going to show you guys today, I figured I'd roll it into a review. It's my favorite heated brush that I've tried yet, and that is the Kuschelbar heated brush. Now this is the one that you guys have seen on other review videos or online for $100. Today you guys are going to have a discount code for 20% off or $20 off for Father's Day. And this is not an affiliate code. I get no kickbacks, no commission whatsoever. I wanted to just be able to help you guys out and paint a picture of this product. I was actually offered an affiliate, but I turned it down because I like this product so much. I did not want any accusations out there that I was doing this for the wrong reasons. I just want to give you guys unfiltered truth. Show you how I use it, when I think it should be used, how it fits certain types of beards, and then let you guys decide if it's worth it for you as a tool to add to your repertoire or not. So if that interests you, I invite you guys to hit that subscribe button. I promise I won't let you down. Check out my introduction, and then we'll get into the information. Welcome back. As I stated in the introduction, this does normally go for $100, but there is a discount code today. It is DADDY20, D-A-D-D-Y 20 for Father's Day, and it'll save you $20. Again, I get nothing from that, just to help you guys out. And this is not to be confused with the $100 straightening brush that you guys have seen on some videos and posts online that was ordered from China, slapped a logo on it, and then they were selling it for an upcharge. This is the only bearded straightening brush on the market that was developed from a bearded man for bearded men. It is the only one. And when I received this, I'll be honest, I was a little bit worried because the teeth were short. I have a long and very thick beard. My beard is very dense, and my logic assumed that I needed long teeth to get into my beard to make it work. And I was worried about this until I tried it. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes to heat up, and one thing that I like about it is it's very simple. It's got an on-off button, and that's it. You turn it on, let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can check the back of it. It's actually, once it gets going, is like too hot to touch. But the really cool thing is the teeth are not hot. You can hold it in here. All the heat mechanisms are inside of there, which is amazing to not be able to worry about your hand, about your skin, or really any damage there. So that is a plus. On my other heated brushes, they allowed you to set the temperature. And again, in my mind, I thought that was a good thing, but it actually was my worst enemy. If you are like me, I'm a perfectionist, and I was spending so many times trying to dial in what was perfect for my beard. Oh, was it the co-wash? Was it a bad day? What was factoring in? This one is set it and forget it. They've done the science. They figured it out for your beard. Not for hair, where most of those heated straightening brushes come from. This was made by a bearded man for you. So I think that has a lot of benefits there. So, and again, this was made by Jeff Chastain. He's got an Instagram company. He's doing really well with this. Hold on, guys, and I'm going to show you exactly how I use this and then more thoughts on it. All right. Time to show you guys how I use this product. A key thing that a lot of people are scared of, but with a quality product like this, you want to make sure you are going slow and firm. Really get into the hair, go down and straighten it. Now for me, this is not an everyday tool. If I use it every day with my long beard, I feel like my hairs get too straight, but I'd rather use it as going out for a date night or a couple times a week. But I do feel like if you have a shorter beard, one of those business beards, this could be the perfect tool for you because you kind of want the straighter beards in that type of situation. But this will straighten out your beard, which is the purpose of it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it here. I got it fully heated up. I'm going to start from the top, and then I'm just going to go down, taking my time. If I'm looking off to the side, it's just to make sure I'm doing everything right there. So you can kind of see one side compared to the other. So I'm going to start up here, pushing down in my beard, You may hear some crackling a little bit, and you may see a little bit of steam. That is just simply from the product that is in the beard. It's nothing to do with your beard whatsoever, and that's with any heated brush. You're not going to have a heated brush that does not give off a little bit of steam. If that worries you, then a heated brush is not for you. No heated brush would do the trick for you if that was a worry. So I'm going down, I'm giving the shape that I want. I'm going to kind of go in a little bit as I go through. Let's get a little bit closer here, check it out, see how it's doing. Notice how straight it is there. Give my mustache a little angle. And again, if you see that steam, it is just simply product coming off of the beard. Now my front, I'm going to get that nice and straight. Come through to the side. And the way that I've really been using this, like I said, I work hard, I play hard all day. My beard gets a little bit crazy. And then to get ready for date night, with a long beard like this, balm isn't really helping me. So if I can use something like a straightening heated brush, that's really going to help out a lot. So now you can see with my beard style, I just kind of get it into shape there. I'll usually hit it with a boar's brush afterwards, but you can definitely see the difference here. The beard is a lot straighter. It's going into the place that I like it. I usually kind of go down to like a little ponytail type at the bottom of the beard, and it's going to give me that straightened look. So if you're looking to get your beard straightened and you want a quality product that was made for a beard, from a beard, this is the one for you. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you guys have any experience with this brush? Do you have any experience with any other brushes? Is this a luxury tool? Absolutely. Even with the discount, you're paying $80. Now that is a lot of money. If you can afford it and you want to add this tool to your toolbox, absolutely do it. If it's out of your price range, that's for you to decide. Definitely not a sales here. I just want to express my opinion. This is the best one that I have tried. You get what you pay for. Like I've said many times in this beard game, it usually makes sense. This was developed for your beard. It's going to cost a little bit more if it's quality, which it is. So I'm excited to read your comments, guys, on your thoughts on heated brushes, on your thoughts on this one specifically. Let me know down below. Thank you guys for watching today. As always, stay bearded and stay positive.